We started discussion on question number 8 of exercise 7.2. Total surface area and curved surface area of cone are 770 square centimeter and 550 square centimeter respectively. Find the radius. So here we have to use two formula. One, the formula of curved surface area, another formula of total surface area to get the radius. So at first write given things. Total surface area is 770 square centimeter and curved surface area is equal to 550 square centimeter, and it is said to find out radius. So at first use formula of curved surface area, that is pi RL. I said we are going to use this formula, but actually we are going to put value of this CSA in the formula of total surface area. Formula for total surface area is pi r times r plus L, isn't it? Or if we will multiply it inside, it will be pi r square plus pi RL. That is, total surface area is equal to curved surface area plus area of one more circle. एउटा सर्कल प्लस कर्व्ड सर्फेस एरिया गरे भने टोटल सर्फेस एरिया हुन्छ. So here we can write in place of total surface area 770 pi r into pi r square, pi r into L, pi RL, and value of pi RL is curved surface area, that is equal to 550. This we have to put here in place of this pi RL, because pi RL is curved surface area and which is equal to 550. If we will put this value, easily we will get value of R. 770 is equal to pi r square plus 550. Take this 550 to left side and subtract it. And after subtracting it, you will get 220 is equal to value of pi 22 by 7 into r square. Now again, take these values here to left side, 7 in numerator and 22 in denominator, that we have to take. And after taking these values to left side, that means after transposing to these to left side, if it is possible, cancel out here 22, there is 220, so we can write 22 times 220 and 10 into 7, 70, r square is equal to 70. Then value of r, we have to find out square root of it. It is 8.3666 or 36 something. Yeah, after rounding it off, it will be 8.37 centimeter. And same thing is asked to us. It is said to find its radius, and we calculated the radius here. So it is our required answer. Look at next one now. Exercise 7.3. Here we are going to solve the question related to pyramid only. So let's revise this formula once again. Total surface area of square based pyramid is equal to 2AL, 2 into length of base into slant height. This is also called area of triangular faces. Similarly, total surface area, on it the base area A square is added, A square plus 2AL. This is formula for total surface area. Similarly, volume of square based pyramid is 1 by 3 area of base into height, that is 1 by 3 A square H. And next one, formula related to age, slant height, height and length of base of this pyramid. That means L is slant height, H is vertical height, A is the length of base. This formula comes by using Pythagoras theorem. L square is equal to H square plus A by 2 square. Similarly, age square is equal to L square plus A by 2 square. These two more formula we use to find out slant height, vertical height or length of base also. And after this, there is the pyramid formed on equilateral triangle. For that, lateral surface area is equal to 3 by 2 AL. Similarly, total surface area root 3 by 4 A square plus 3 by 2 AL, and volume is equal to 1 by 3 into root 3 by 4 A square into H, or we can multiply these root 3 by 12 A square H. Now we are moving to questions of exercise 7.3. Look at first question. Find the triangular faces area. That means lateral surface area we have to find out, and total surface area TSA of the given square base pyramid. Two things we have to find out. One, lateral surface area. Next one, total surface area. So question given here to us is this one, where slant height is 15 centimeter given in question, 6 centimeter. This is the length of base A, and slant height L. Two things are given. So by using these, we have to find out the area of triangular faces as well as the total surface area. Write the given things at first. Slant height L is equal to 15 centimeter. Length of base A is equal to 6 centimeter. And lateral surface area is equal to what? As well as total surface area is equal to what? And we have formula. Lateral surface area is equal to 2AL. Just we have to use formula only because we have value of L as well as A. So put these values, 2 into 6 into 15. 6 to the 12 into 15, 180 square centimeters. This is lateral surface area. Similarly, total surface area is equal to A square plus 2AL, and we have already calculated value of 2AL that we can put directly. If it is said to calculate total surface area only, we have to go here. Total surface area मात्रै क्याल्कुलेट गर्न भनेको भए यहाँ जान्थ्यौं, त्यतिखेर 2AL को भ्यालु पनि यही निकाल्नु पर्थ्यो. 2 into 6 into 15, 180. Otherwise, if we have already calculated lateral surface here, no need to calculate it again. Here we can put the value directly. And 6 square is 36. 36 plus 180. 216. 216 square centimeter. This is our required answer. Let's move to next question. Question number 1D. A bit different question is there in a way that there is the given value of length of PC as well as length of PM. यो दुईटा लेन्थहरु दिएको छ हामीलाई. From P to C as well as from P to M. So length from P to C, these four lengths PC, PB, PA, PD, these all are equal and they are called the edges. यिनीहरुलाई हामी edge भन्छौं. This one is the edge. And PM, height drawn to base of the triangle PBC. PBC triangle को base मा बनेको height हो. This is slant height. So edge as well as slant height L. These two things are given to us. If these are given, we can find out the length of base by using formula. And after finding length of this base BC, we can use formula for total surface area and formula for area of triangular faces. Okay, let me repeat once again. Edge is given, slant height is given. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can find out MC, that is half of base. From that, we will get value of A, length of base, and then use formula of lateral surface area as well as total surface area. So let's proceed to its solution. Given things, slant height L is equal to 24, edge E is equal to 25 centimeter. So use Pythagoras theorem to find out the length of base at first, and after that we have to find out lateral surface area and total surface area. We have formula edge square is equal to L square. This is perpendicular and base MC is half of length of base A by 2 square. Edge square is 25 square, L square 24 square plus A by 2 square, or 25 square 625. 24 square 576, subtract it. 24 square is taken to left side here. I've taken it here directly. And after subtracting it, what you will get? If it is 49, A by 2 square is 49, means A by 2 is equal to, take square root of it, that is A by 2 is equal to 7. Then A is equal to, take this 2 to right side, that means do cross multiplication, and you will get A is equal to 14 centimeter. That is length of base A is 14 centimeter. After knowing it, you can use formula of lateral surface area as well as total surface area. Lateral surface area is 2AL, 2 into 14 into L, 24. Multiply these three.
672.
Okay, it is lateral surface area. And after that, total surface area, A square plus 2AL, value of 2AL is already calculated. That is 14 square plus 672. 14 square 196 plus 672. And their sum is 868 square centimeters. These are our required answers. Let's move to next question. Find the volume of following square based pyramid. So in question number 1, it was asked to find out lateral surface area as well as total surface area. Now in question number 2, it is asked to find out volume. Just we have to use formula only. At first, one slant height xy is given and vertical height xo is given. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can find out OI, or length of base. OI is A by 2 and BC will be the total length A. And after finding length of base, we can use formula for volume. Volume is equal to 1 by 3 A square H. So slant height is 25, vertical height is 24, and we have to find out volume. At first, before using formula of volume, use this formula: slant height square hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square, that is H square plus OY square base square A by 2 square. L square is 25 square, H square is 24 square plus A by 2 square. Now square of this 24 is 576, and take it here, 25 square 625, and then subtract. By subtracting, it is same as previous one. No, there is nothing difference while solving value of A. A by 2 is equal to 7, then A is equal to 14. If A is equal to 14, volume is equal to 1 by 3 A square H. 1 by 3 A square H. A is 14. 1 by 3, 14 square into H, 24. And if we will cancel out it, 3 8 the 24. 14 square, it is 196 into 8. Multiply those.
1568.
Okay, 1568 cubic centimeter. And this is our required answer. Question number 4A. The volume of square based pyramid is 120 cubic centimeter. If its height is 10 centimeter, find length of its base. So if there is one square based pyramid, this is one square based pyramid, values given to us are, volume is given, its volume is equal to 120 cubic centimeter, and next thing given to us is height. Height is 10 centimeter. By using these two values, we have to find out length of base. And in formula of volume, there is 1 by 3 A square H. It is asked to find out length of base. I was thinking about slant height. If it is said to find out length of base, there is the length of base in formula of volume. Volume को formula length of base सदैछ 1 by 3 A square H. A means length of base. So these two values we have, and third value A we have to find out. So easily we will get answer of it. So in its solution, at first sight given things, volume is equal to 120 cubic centimeter, height 10 centimeter, length of base is equal to what? And we have formula, volume is equal to 1 by 3 a square, yes, or volume is 120 is equal to 1 by 3 a square, not given, into h is 10. What is cancelled now?
10, 12, so 120.
10. And 12 is
36.
36.
36. A square is equal to 36 and a is equal to 6 centimeter, and it is our required answer. Just we have to find out the length of base only. I think it is very easy question for you. Question number 5B I included here for you. Volume of square based pyramid is 128 cubic centimeter if the vertical height and the length of side are in the ratio of 3:4. Find the total surface area of the pyramid. So three values are given here. One value given to us is volume. Next value given to us is length of side and height. Vertical height, we have to say let it be 3x because ratio is 3:4. And length of side, that is A, we have to say let it be 4x. If vertical height and length of base are in the ratio 3:4, as like the questions of ratio and proportion, we have to say let the vertical height be 3x and length of side be 4x. And after this, use formula of volume, get value of x, and after getting value of x, you will get value of height as well as length of base, and after that you can calculate total surface area after finding the slant height. H slant height L निकाल्नु पर्यो, then we can find out total surface area. Look at your screen. First thing given is volume 128 cm3 and height is to length of base. Ratio of vertical height and length of base is 3:4. So let height be 3x, length of base be 4x. Total surface area is asked to us. At first, volume is given, so we use the formula of volume, and after using formula of volume, just put value of volume as well as value of A and value of X. Put these values. Volume is 128 is equal to 1 by 3. A square means 4x whole square. H means 3x. Take 3 here. And similarly, 4 square 16, square of x, x square. Multiply 128 with 3 and 4 square 16, x square remains as it is, x remains as it is. Find out value of 120 into 3, product of 128 into 3. Have you calculated? And then 16 into 3 also. 84 and 16 3 is 48. Now to get value of x cube, just divide it, and then to get value of x, find out the cube root of that. 384
It's
divided
8.
by 48, that is x cube. It is 8. And to find out x, find out cube root of it. Cube root
2.
of it 2 only. Value of x is 2. If value of x is 2, value of 3x, we can find out 3 into 2. Similarly, we can find out value of 4x also. And value of 4x is 4 into 2, it is 8. Value of A as well as H we have calculated. And after calculating A and H, to find out total surface area, find out slant height by using Pythagorean theorem. L square is equal to H square plus A by 2 square. Put value of H as well as A by 2. H is 6 square plus A by 2 square means 8 by 2 square. That is L square is equal to 36 plus 8 by 2, it is 4. So L square is equal to 36 plus 16. So what is the sum of 36 and 16?
52.
52. Then L is equal to square root of this 52, 7.21
7.21.
centimeter. If L is 7.21 centimeter, total surface area is equal to A square plus 2AL, that is 8 square plus 2 into 8 into 7.21, 8 square 64, 8 into 2 into 7.21, it is 115.38, and find out the total sum of it.
179.38.
179.38 square centimeter. This is required answer. Look at next question, question number 6C. The total surface area of square based pyramid is 1920 square centimeter and the length of side of base is 30 centimeter. Find the vertical height of pyramid. We have to find out vertical height h. Given things are total surface area and length of side is 30. So in its solution also, at first write given things, total surface area 1920 square centimeter and length of side of base, that is 30 centimeter. We have to find out vertical height. So use formula of this total surface area. Total surface area is equal to A square plus 2AL, that is 1920 is equal to 30 square plus 2 into 30 into L. 30 square 900, 2 into 30 it is 60. Take 900 to left side at first, and after taking it divide that value by 60 also. Then we will get value of L. 1920 minus 900 is equal to 60L, or 60L is equal to 1020, or L is equal to 1020 divided by 60, L is equal to 17. After this, to find out vertical height, use Pythagorean theorem. L square is equal to h square plus a by 2 square, that is 17 square is equal to h square plus 30 by 2, which is 15 square. 17 square is 289. H square plus 15 square 225, and 289 minus 225 is equal to h square, and after this subtract it. 289 minus 64, and what is the value of h? 8 centimeter, and it is our required answer. I think all questions of this exercise are completed. That's much for today. Thank you very much. Have a good day. We'll meet again in next class.